Hello beauty lovers! I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Rosa Leon, and today we are going to talk about the most talked vitamin and probably one of the most popular vitamin after vitamin C is vitamin A. So today's talk is vitamin A and what benefits does it have specifically for the skin. We know that it's great for everything. There's a lot of talk about vitamin A. There are different forms of vitamin A, but let's see what exactly it does for the skin and how we should use it. Let's do it. So number one benefit of vitamin A is anti-aging. So anti-aging, who doesn't want to look younger, right? So it's great for prevention, it's great for mature skin, it's excellent for premature aging. So anti-aging, so how does it do it? How does vitamin A helps with anti-aging? And this is what it does. Vitamin A has a tendency to speed things up. So basically it motivates other cells in the skin to act younger. And what happens is that vitamin A speeds up the metabolism of the skin. It forces the skin cells to produce themselves faster. So vitamin A and anti-aging is the first benefit. Let's look at the second one. So the second benefit of vitamin A is that it helps with problematic skin like acne. How it does that? By normalizing oil production. So it makes the skin or the integumentary system to produce less oil, and this way it normalizes the condition. So those of you that suffer from acne, talk to your professional about products or products that have vitamin A in them, or seek treatments with vitamin A. So vitamin A and acne is the second benefit. So let's look at the third benefit for the skin. So the third benefit for the skin is that it helps to normalize the pigmentation, and that's a big deal. Many of us, women, men, suffer from pigmentation. So what does vitamin A do for pigmentation? Vitamin A helps to normalize the tyrosinase, and tyrosinase is the enzyme that helps in production of the actual melanin that gives us pigment. So if we have a problem with hyperpigmentation, for example, then vitamin A is the product that we want to seek or talk to our professionals about. And here's the fourth benefit that I love about vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to speed up healing and hydrates the skin. So this is how it does that. We know, like I said in the beginning, it helps to speed up the production of cell renewal. So when it happens, it helps to bring the new cells up to the surface of the skin. When that happens, the skin looks more radiant, younger, healthier. So it definitely, by bringing up new cells to the surface, it helps to heal less visible imperfections like scarring, like pigments, little breakouts. So anything that's going on with the skin, technically vitamin A is definitely an ingredient that we should be looking at and speaking to our professionals about. So our fourth benefit would be healing, speeding up healing and promoting hydration. Technically, your vitamin A helps to improve the two layers of the skin, the dermis and the epidermis. So it's good all around. So remember that vitamin A can come as an ingredient in different products, right? It can be in the serum, creams or moisturizers, cleansers, masks. So once you find your perfect product, whether you find it yourself or by speaking to a professional, here are some things to remember. Vitamin A should be used strictly by the prescription or the recommendation of that product line. So don't forget, try not to experiment with vitamin A because it is an active ingredient and it can do some damage if you overuse it, or if you use it too much, or if you use it at the wrong time or at the wrong season. So definitely pay attention to the instructions on how to use that product with vitamin A. And of course, my thing would be gadgets. Okay, don't forget about your gadgets. Depending on the product, you definitely want to use a gadget that will help to absorb that product into your skin, right? And one of them would be ultrasonic, galvanic. You know that one of my favorite galvanic products is made by American Empire. It's cute, it's small, I can take it anywhere. I can cleanse my skin with it before I put my vitamin A, and I can use it to help to penetrate that product into my skin. And also remember that if you are using a serum with vitamin A, then your skin has to be super clean. You cannot use a product that has a small molecular structure on an unclean skin. So make sure you clean your skin well first before you put your vitamin A product on. Remember that two of my favorite gadgets to use for cleansing the skin would be definitely products by American Empire, and that would be my blackhead remover and the galvanic device. That they both do excellent job, whether you're using it at home or in a professional treatment room. So both of these are excellent for cleansing your skin. So watch our videos on how to cleanse your skin properly, because again, you don't want to put a serum or an ampule that has a vitamin A on an unclean skin. Your clean has to be super exfoliated, pores should be clean, surface should be clean. So you don't want to use expensive products, and usually products with vitamin A are pricey, especially if they're good quality and the right products with the right delivery systems. So you don't want to put that product on an unclean skin. So make sure that your skin is well cleansed before you're going to use vitamin A product, whether you use it at night or in the morning. So don't forget about your gadgets. I'm going to put some of the purchasing options for you in my comments. And then again, if you like the video, put a like, and then if you really loved it, then subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon in our next videos. Bye guys.